equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your HP 14 laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, carefully remove the back cover. You will need to unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back cover off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, locate the screen connector. It is usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling it straight out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the screen to the laptop frame. There are typically 4 screws, one in each corner of the screen. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the frame. Be careful not to pull too hard, as the screen may still be connected by a few cables. If you're feeling unsure about this process, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your laptop repaired without the hassle of traveling. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and align it with the frame. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly attached to avoid any future issues. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is seated properly. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We can provide you with an estimate based on your specific needs. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back cover. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, you've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 14 laptop. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with any further assistance you may need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.